You better take off out of here. I'm going to send my dog on you.
Hey, you know something? That dog ain't got he can't do nothing. What's that dog gonna do?
Get the hell out of here.
Huh? No, I'll tell you what, why don't you get your dog and bring your dog over here?
You want him?
Yeah, send that dog. What's that dog?
Ricky!
Where's that dog?
Super! Super, buddy! Super! Super, buddy! Super!
Get the dog off! Get him off!
Out! Out! Fuß! Fuß! Nein, Fuß! Super Fuß! Super! What? Super!
Hot. Unless you whatever you want to do. I'm just here enjoying myself.
Good, appreciate that. What do you want to do? No, push one. I know we're just working everything. I'm trying to, my main goal is, I'm just trying to get him
I'm
focused
coming to
on.
you right now. I'm gonna walk to you just talk there.
You know, come over there one second.
Okay.
What? Now what do you think of my dog, man?
Interesting dog, man. Very nice looking dog.
Alright. Expect him a little bit more, you feel me?
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I think you want to be on the receiving end of him.
Super. Super. Okay. I'm gonna end it. I'll just jack it up.
Yeah.
Glasses! Glasses! Nein, glasses? Super.
I'm gonna walk over from my phone away, alright?
Yep, no problem. Platz! Platz! See how he's always watching where you are? Nein, Platz! You think you're sneaking up on me? Nein, Platz! Good boy. Good job. Yeah, he thought you were sneaking up then.